Gold has always been one of the best ways to protect your money from inflation, as it protects your investments from being devalued. Actually, it also protects your portfolio from being devalued. And so that is why we are shooting today's video, to show you how you can buy gold. Buy gold, which is listed on the US stock exchange as a gold ETF, just with your smartphone and mobile money in Ghana. Then this video can also be applied by Nigerians living in Nigeria. And so if you want to learn how you can buy gold ETFs to protect your portfolio, or to protect your investments from inflation, and also if you want to also make some returns, then this video is for you. Now, remember that this video is for infotainment purposes only. Remember to consult a licensed financial advisor before you take any of the things we talk about the video into practice. Now, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, so that whenever you want to hear more content about what we talk about, whenever we upload content like this, you'll be one of the first people to see it. So let's dive straight into the video. So what is a gold ETF? I've already explained that an ETF means exchange traded funds. And so if this is the first thing you're hearing, the word ETF, you can comment below. I'll send a link to a full video we have done on how you can make money from investing in ETFs. So I don't want to go back into that. And so, like I said, ETF means exchange traded fund. And it's not just any normal ETF, it's a SPDR Gold ETF. Now, its ticker symbol is GLD. So you can also search for GLD. That's SPDR Gold ETF. Now, this ETF tracks the price of gold. That's interesting, right? It tracks the price of gold, and it's actually been designed to give you exposure to gold's performance without you having to store a physical bar of gold. So this means that the ETF is directly tracking the price of gold on the commodity market. Yeah, so you don't have to physically buy a bar of gold. And buying a bar of gold is expensive. But then with this ETF, you can buy it in fractions. And so it means that you can be building up your gold ETF bit by bit over time. Yeah. And so I'm going to take the name again. It's called SPDR Gold ETF, which is tracking the price of gold on the commodity market. And so basically, we are able to buy gold without having to physically hold the bar. That's the great part about it. Now, it is one of the most trusted and widely traded gold ETFs out there currently. And now, the current price of the GLD, which is this ticker symbol, is $266 per share. $266 per share. Yeah. So that, like I said, is going to track the price of gold. Then it also means that when the price of gold appreciates, you're going to gain some capital on it. That's the good part about it. Now, unfortunately, there are no dividends for GLD, but you still get great capital gains for GLD. Now, let's move to the next segment where we talk about why should you choose GLD. Now, a lot of investors love GLD. Now, for three reasons. The first one is the simplicity. The fact that you get exposure to the gold investments without you having to physically own gold. Because physically owning gold has a lot of implications. How are you going to store it? For a lot of people that don't have a vault, a secure vault, because you know that having gold even at your residence or wherever you're going to store it is going to make you a target. Because thieves will like to come and steal it. And it has a lot of implications regarding storage, regarding purchase, regarding transportation, and regarding also liquidity. That brings us to the second point. Another advantage of buying GLD is the liquidity. That is, you can easily sell it as long as the stock market is open. So it means that you can easily buy and you can easily sell and you can easily convert it into cash. That's what is important. So if you have an emergency and you need your money, you can easily sell your GLD ETF and then convert it into dollars and back into cedis for you to use. Very simple. And then the transparency, right? Now, the fund holds the physical gold for you. And so what you see is what you get. That's the advantage of that. Now, we're going to talk about how you can actually buy GLD. Now, to buy GLD, if you're a Ghanaian or a Nigerian who is watching me today, to buy GLD, you actually need to use the Bamboo app. Now, the Bamboo app allows Ghanaians and Nigerians to buy stocks or shares on the US stock market. And so basically, that's what we're going to use for this video. Now, I've already made in-depth videos on how you can actually sign up. So I'm not going to talk about signing up in this video, but if you want to learn how to sign up, you can watch our previous videos. Just comment or check the description. You see the link to that video. Now, one thing that we're also going to talk about is that we have a VIP class, which is a one-on-one class on stock trading. And so if you want to be part of that VIP one-on-one class, you can also give us a call, or you can DM us, or you can comment and then you'll be sent the link. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm assuming by now that you've already downloaded and signed up on the app. Then when you are done, you need to fund your account. In order to fund your account, you have to go to your Ghana Cedi wallet, top up with Momo or Visa card, transfer it to your dollar wallet. So now we are all set to start buying. Okay, so now let's buy. So let's go to the search. Now you see that I've gone to the search. Now you type in GLD, or you can type in SPDR Gold Shares. Now, this is it. As we've said, the results are in. Now we scroll down and we're going to see that the price is, the day I'm shooting a video today is 17th of February 2025. So it depends on the day I'm going to watch the video. And so as the day I'm shooting the video, the current price is $266. So you click on buy now. Now remember that the stock market only opens Mondays to Fridays. And so make sure you check your time zone to make sure that, because depending on the time zone you are in, and then the time is going to open for you, because Ghana's time zone is different from the US time zone. So usually in Ghana it's in the afternoons. And so it means you can't buy during the mornings. And so make sure you check that also. It's very important. Because I got a lot of people sending messages during weekends that I'm trying to buy stocks, but the market is closed, because it doesn't work on weekends and public holidays. Very important to take note. Okay, so let's continue. So you click on buy now, then you see it's asking you to put in the amount you want to buy. And so if you want, you can buy the full share, you can buy more than that, or you can buy it in fractions. And so if you want to also buy in fractions, you know what to do. So let's say you want to buy $20 or $30 or $40 or $50. You can do so. Now, remember, as we are signed up onto the app, if you need my referral code, just send me a DM or a comment and I'll let you have my referral code. So after you place your order, that is it. Very simple. Now, if you want to sell the shares, you go through the same process. You search for it. Now, imagine that you have $20 off the share. You go to sell now. Now you go to sell now, you see it gives you the option to sell all. You just click on it, very simple. You finish selling your shares, that's all. Very simple and good to go. So this is a video on how you can buy gold as a Ghanaian investor. And so if you want to broaden your portfolio and diversify your risk, one of the things you can consider is to buy a gold ETF. It's very, very important if you want to consider it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed everything. If you like what we've spoken about today, like the video. If you disagree with anything we've spoken about today, leave a comment in the comment section, and then I'll attend to you. Now, as usual, we will talk more next time.